Hello, and welcome to our demonstration of JA Home Sales Customer Search MLS system. To get started, simply click on the MLS Search tab at the top of the page. This will take you to the MLS Listings page, at which the first thing you want to indicate is the price range of the property you're searching for. You have several other options to add to your search if you desire, such as taxes paid, and a number of other variables. You will notice in the status section, you can choose properties that are available, sold, or are under contract. You can also limit your search to the number of days the property has been listed. It is defaulted at 10 days, but you can change that to whatever number of days you desire. Another feature available to you is the property type. All of the properties are checked off by default, so you will have to uncheck those types of properties you are not interested in. Without going through all the other variables, the last thing you would want to do is to type in the zip code of the location you are interested in. Type in the zip code, click on the drop-down box once it is populated, click outside of the box, and your results will populate. The system will show you available properties in two forms. A map form, which is represented by the green dots on the map, and a list form of the properties located below the map. If you click on the green dot, you will see a small caption of the property. Under the list program, houses are separated in columns by address, town, price, and status. As you can see in this example, the indicated status for each of the properties is available. When you click on a particular property, you will find a great deal of information on that property and the neighborhood, along with pictures. At the bottom of the search results, you will even see a sample of nearby properties for sale, and nearby properties that have been sold. Also, the system will provide you additional information, such as an area map of the zip code, mortgage calculator, and even more information on the neighborhood. The mortgage calculator even includes an amortization table, which produces a potential 30-year payout schedule on your mortgage. To return to your search results, be sure to click on the Return to Results link at the top of the page. If you just hit the back button, the system will reset, and you will have to input your search parameters all over again. Also, if you prefer to search by map, all you have to do is click on one of the green dots, and when the caption of the property comes up, click on the View Details link. This will take you to the full description of the property. Customer Search MLS is also handy for those who are looking to rent an apartment or house, looking for commercial properties, or are in the market for raw land. This system covers the 5 boroughs, Long Island, and some counties in upstate New York. We hope this short training is of some benefit. Please don't hesitate to reach out to us if you have any questions. Thank you for checking out our Customer Search MLS system, brought to you by JA Home Sales.